What is a webinar? Imagine a virtual conference room brimming with multimedia and interactive features that can connect hundreds of participants. A webinar can be a lecture, lesson, online course, training session, or product demonstration, all conducted online using the Vivomeetings webinar platform. How does it differ from a regular video conference? The difference lies in the scale. A video conference is a meeting where participants can turn on their microphones and cameras. Vivomeetings video conferencing can host up to 300 participants, while our webinar feature accommodates up to 10,000 participants. During the webinar, you master ceremonies, presenting your content to hundreds of attendees worldwide using the Vivomeetings webinar and event registration tool. This tool provides features such as presentations, a whiteboard, screen sharing, chat, and other webinar resources. Who will the webinar's audience be? This could include anyone who knows about it, anyone who registers, or perhaps only those you invite. It's entirely your choice how you wish to engage with them. You can interact effectively through polls, surveys, chat, and Q&A sessions.